So you've been having headaches?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When did they start?
They started since this weekend at my softball tournament after I pitched.
Okay. And where are the headaches? Are they top of the head, the back, or?
They're kind of at the top of the head.
Okay. And your neck's been bothering you too?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Right side or left side?
It's just kind of like in the middle. It's really tight.
Any trouble sleeping?
No, ma'am.
Just move. Tightness in the left side. There we go. That felt pretty good. A lot better movement that way. All right, how'd that feel?
Good, thank you.
Perfect. I forgot it felt a little bit by headache. Okay.